Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can check out the news and events update in Dragon Ball Legends. So there are so many events and campaigns, but before we start, I want to show. I made this video is for beginner that new into this game that are still confusing because too many event or menu that you can try. And before you challenge the event or the mission, you have to know what the news update or new event that happened today. Start by tapping the menu and this one, the news. Tap the news and you get the reward by checking news one time. So there are three update here, three info. That this one is news, this is the event, and this is the game update announcement. You have to read this. Maybe there are some maintenance or the event. This is the all event that happens in this month or week. You can check it out. And this is the important one, the news, like maintenance notice. There are new maintenance notice. Just tap the detail about this news, for example. And I hope you continue to enjoy Dragon Ball Legends. So please check the news every day to update your game. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click next button below. Enjoy the game.